Thin film modules are among the most advanced and efficient power generation technologies developed by the solar industry, with copper indium gallium selenide modules, or CIGS for short, being the most popular and widely used amongst them. Sinoltech's FLEX-03W-2.6M 500-520W solar module series consists of powerful thin film CIGS solar cells attached on a stainless steel substrate capable of generating high efficiency levels of up to 17% in a flexible form factor. A thin film size of 0.33mm and versatile cell architecture allows the module size to be modified to suit the varied installation needs. Their conforming design also ensures that they are unobtrusive and easily blend into a variety of surfaces, including curved ones, improving the aesthetic appeal of the installed system, while also facilitating their use for a variety of streamlined applications, such as building integrated photovoltaics, solar shingles, and so on. Our modules are lightweight, weighing only 6.6 grams, with an overall installed system weight of less than 2 kilograms per square meter, which means that the mounting surface doesn't have to be reinforced to support the weight of mounting racks and modules. They can also be easily attached to any surface using the peel and stick method, requiring no roof penetrations, ballast, or racking system to secure the modules, making installation simple and quick. Their installation requires relatively minimal training, further reducing the installation costs. The module's low profile reduces wind lift forces, making them easy to install in areas with heavy wind loads and seismic hazards. Use of bypass diodes for every 2 cells ensures better performance even under shaded conditions, contributing to increased module yield. Sinoltech is a prominent clean tech company with more than 17 years of experience in manufacturing solar products, such as street lights, exhaust fans, LED skylights, folding chargers, charge controllers, and inverters. Our advanced product design, professional customer support team, and a vast sales network spread across more than 60 countries ensure that high-quality products reach our customers in the quickest time possible.